Okay, today's video is I'm going to cut my hair. I'm just going to do I'm going to try and blend it in. So going to go for a 2, blend it in, and probably a grade 8 on top because I won't be able to do scissors on top. So I'm going to go grade 8 on top. Okay. So the first thing is grade 8. Normally, you know, when you go to the barbers, they do it the other way around. They start here and blend it in and then do the top. I'm just going to go and inverse it and just go for an 8 all over on top. There's not much coming off, which is good because I don't want it to be spiky. Okay, that's number 8 all over. So next thing now, I'm going to use a number 2, grade 2, and blend it in, or start quite low on the sides. You can see it is quite long here at the back. So I'm just going to go round. Feels better already. I'm going to go back to around here because then I'm going to have to grade it in, blend it in with a 3 and a 4. And then I'll come back to these edges, these just around here with a 1 just to tidy it up. Okay, so we've gone round with the number 2 all along. You can see a couple of bits there. Well, you can see the kind of the line there and there. So now we're going to blend it in. So I'm going to start with a number 3, grade 3, and just go round and start blending it in. Okay, so to do the back, I'm going to turn around, 2 mirrors. And then you start blending it in from the back. You use 2 mirrors, so you can see. Okay, so once you go around with number 3, now we're going to use a number 4. So use a number 4, same technique, all the way around, and just keep on blending it. Okay, that's 4. Blend it in. If you have a 5, which if you have an 8, if you have a kit that goes up to an 8, you should have a 5. And my first set, this over 20 years old now, only went up to a 4, but I bought the other pieces. So number 8 goes up to number 8. So grade 5, same again, same process, all the way around. Should be a little bit faster now. Okay, so we've been round all the grades. Well, 2, 3, 4, 8 on top, blended into blended on sides 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going round with the number 1 and just doing these bits here. Just to get these long loose bits. Just the bottoms. Same again, I'll use the double mirror and just do these bottom bits here. And there you have it. Number 2 blended in and number 8 on top. Just needs a wash, bit of gel. Thanks. Okay, so there we have it. Again, there's an 8 on top. Show the back there. Yeah, it was an 8 on top, 2 on the sides, blended in. And there we go. I'll put a bit of gel in it now. So I'll put some gel in. There. Thanks a lot.